Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. If you can see right here, we have another sneaker unboxing and I will show you guys my new Nike sneakers. So the sneakers that I got guys is the Nike Waffle Debut. And if you can see there, yung colorway niya is black. So black, black of noir. Tama ba yung pronunciation ko nun? Of noir anthracite. So basically, this is an all black na sneaker. So let's check it out. So guys, the sneaker does come in different colorways. Merong off-white version ito. Then, yung gusto ko sana was the, parang pwede ko bang sabihin na classic colorway. Kasi white yung sole, then black yung body niya, then white yung checkmark. So yun dapat yung kukunin ko. But I decided on this all black na colorway. Kasi I was thinking, wala pa akong sneakers talaga na all black. I have sneakers na black but may white accents eh. So ito pa lang talaga yung all black na sneakers ko. And if we look at it closely, what I like about this one as well is yung different textures and different layers of the shoe. So when I say texture, if you can see here, it's suede. Pati yung dito sa may heel niya. So, suede. Then, yung body niya is nylon. So, nylon yung dito. Then, ito, leather yung dito niya. So, marami siyang style details with regard to the material. Then, marami rin siyang layers, diba? So, may checkmark ka dito, then may overlay dito ng design. Then, here, may Nike na shiny dito. Ayan, o. So, meron ka pang detail na ganito. So, even though it's all black, you can still see those details sa shoe. So, here, let's remove yung nandito sa loob. Wait lang guys. In fairness, medyo mahirap siyang tanggalin. Ayun. So, dito sa tongue niya, nakalagay Nike, but blacked out din siya. So, it's not as visible. Then, here, hindi ko na mabasa guys eh. But yun, meron din siyang nakalagay dito. Then, may foam detail ka dito. Hindi siya yung nakatahe or something. So, exposed siya. Inside, ayun, makikita mo, meron din a little visible yung Nike. Then, ano yung nakalagay? Comfort something. Comfort insole. Yun. So, this is what it looks like. Then, dito, nandun, of course, yung tag mo sa loob ng sapatos. Then, let's look at the sole. Ito yung itsura niya. So, meron ka ditong 1972, of course. Then, yung checkmark na logo. So, let's check out the pair. Ito siya. Yun lang siya, guys. Obviously, it's the same one. Ay, dito pala, meron din detail dito. If you can see, may mga butas-butas siya. Then here, dito sa heel, pataas din siya. Hindi siya, may pataas na detail dito. So overall, marami siyang design elements. So even though it's just all black, diba? Yung mga design elements make it pop out. So ayun guys. And this retails pala, magkano nga ba to? Around 3,000 something to eh. Itong sneakers na to. Then plus 150 na shipping. Kasi I bought this online sa Nike website. And if under 7,000, from what I remember, may shipping fee of 150 pesos. So there you have it guys. Again, these are my new Nike sneakers, the Nike Waffle Debut in all black. I hope you guys like this quick unboxing of my new Nike sneakers and I will see you again next time. Bye guys!